Libya na ekoi
ekoton ye de ekoto please other prison 6 months ni ombabu sa ni pe wuo no edo so se no mo nyankwa nso amanti na adware kora me dware bida onyina apro na me gina
Ethiopia enkopem da ben na Ghana de shebe hwe nkwa e wo Libya ewie me nya no makwa Libya atitiwo mpanyin se achia ne muye ese abebo nyina de wasem de bi mom adwumaku bia ba ye fro wo Ghana German Center for Jobs Advisory Center won adwumati tipa ba ko ne se yemi no mo ko Libya asan be fie ene won po a e wo ene da so do ko Libya no obetwe wa adwe abesi so se epuo ne baby andwe ani se wo ko on center ho no mo a mpanyinfo de be fa entity mu ama wonya nsa no adwuma aywa be ye odefo awo wan kasa wo man enuma bi ti se agriculture mechanic catering carpentry and nsa no adwuma bia wani je ho mpanyinfo be tetew ama ayo odefo e bia ye Ghana ni a wo de wo ama no tetew ene won a e wo German panyin se kuntunu hwane a nchia na ekonti no ni here ne so be presente e futu sembie wo mu bia no omo de be ma o fa kontiuma be fie nenso enim nhyeda nkoyie ma ni nyina ne so do ani be kire sente omo be wow dodo Ghana German Center for Jobs Advisory Center be hu omo
Starlet 91 Road I be Ministry of Employment and Labor e wo enkran ubetumi so afre won wo 0556 758 518 and 0556 758 516.
Jakoya yaba ya mama kwa bad moba Asempa94.7 moso fu Kwaku Amankwatia akuntejo Abrokyire Nkomo Amankwatiya ya mwa kwa ba
Nijesu minia
isha yache
ai se atiye ema refri
antwa ye
Ona ato lies
una refri me
there be some of them ho
so
ya me tonka wo na wo program na wo refri me ntina me kasa
so me kan want to me say you refri he e ba local government systems and also door no kuta wo niki wo master key what you do remedy time ya ana copy pyramid house
okay
oh jare one of the days
you see
mama ka opare
pare your friend me gagra
oh good they say do akoka busia no sanity yo yes emre no kakra ye share a referendum amampanyin edi atuja say ye hwe na on the 17th no ye two assemblymen and the unit committee na the third card no so kirewadwen say DCE ni MMC for ni nyina ye two omo so aba
dabi
just say a chirebi ye beto omo so aba
enye no ho cry we be to referendum no
say ye nchire yadwen say
ene de o kan de ye atro eso de ono kan no ene eso de atro
the actual no say ye nchire yadwen
say ye de local government no ebema party
anu na mwendru ho
enu na ye point no
ye beto omo so aba na ye to omo so aba so ye ma party omo nyira wo party dim na sanity
dabi two things ye beto omo so aba no de parliament ne be ye no
na me kai say enu na ka be ba ko say
ye le ka bo mo a say anu confuse ni pan nyina
tobo
1-1
okay achinyo na no ashase this is no ye nto omo so aba dada so musa
exactly
it is a per se den
ye per se ye to omo so aba
fine na omo so mbe gina as a DC say be to omo so aba no omo nyina party dim ana say my nyina party dim na sa na ye nyina dwodwo mu say
dabi o kan sa na ene referendum asem na oka
okay
o de start referendum no pe ene na o pese o tese ye ndane local government ye manse ka chinsem nyina mfama party for ana say ye nye no non partisan referendum
no ni tietie mu ane say ye fa emma party for
exactly
the chat na me kan no ye fa no na enye adwuma say many church adwuma ma obi o wa
church ni sa
to wa so o mo ye nto o mo so abada but she said the person to omo so aba
ye to omo so aba but in another means because as members no koto aba
da bi ye ka you know this is
as members koto omo so aba
oh da bi ye ka ye timamufo me nto so aba da
afel also second sabi mu
e che o say
I can say
okay. Assembly members name to the swaba.
No, akoto MCE swaba.
Say no, you Yenya DCEs.
Only when I'll be DCE.
Yeah, Kromano, you said that to Muswaba. Yeah, my assembly members don't come to Muswaba.
I mean, who can say, not what say a program now.
There be some questions. Assembly members know, yeah, to Muswaba.
Yes.
Yeah, Kromano,
yeah, to Muswaba.
DCE, you know, meaning to the Swaba.
Correct.
Because we are assembly member.
Exactly.
But this time, you know, many percent to DCE in the Swaba.
Okay.
That's sanity. This time, Mr. Kruban, many assembly member to the Swaba.
Okay.
They say me two on my penny Swaba. Mato parliamentarian Swaba. Mato assembly member Swaba. Mato
DC Swaba.
Mato a
unique committee
Swaba.
What's up to DC?
What's up to DC? It's DC na me to the Swaba. And when I feel I don't say you find my party for and now me find my party for. That's sanity.
Titina auto unique committee any assembly member no any party.
Meaning say your party.
Correct.
To one sir. But they say they say DCE the person my party. That's sanity.
Yemfama omo anazime me yemfama.
That's sanity. Yemfama omo anami yemfama omo.
Correct.
Fine. It you ha and I Abrokyire for so you actually I say. Yeah, Abrokyire ho no. Mayors no ne Buddhist tiger ni ase Buddhist master ni ase for you know. Ya to omo so aba. Oh party.
Yes.
So dey enti na high ntimi yemfama party.
Okay. Intro na o ye no. So ye no sa o mo amanfo no.
With you some of them come as
ni matter say esan say the Kwaku exercise na Kwaku no 17th December no referendum no ye Kwaku jatum say ye to aba e de yi MCE na party for no e de mu wajim anaso say
omo for
nim
yeah
e hona no emrana e makwan emeye local government ni amana e constitution fabi no ema president ni tumi ema ne power DCE no esa ama ni tumi ema ne sa sake no DCE no sa tumi no eno so parliament be di hujuma esa say two items in our parliament constitution ba ku ye the parliament betimi adi hujuma ba ku de je say nyina yakọ referendum ansa ne tumi adi hujuma entina make say o settle no on ye beto abayi DCE pair na what say a issue no
the church
enti say ne to order dada no president Pau DCE na now they no call a district na assembly members na nipa ni na to abayi wo mu omo na na afa omo ko use electoral college e de adina tuma na so maka so omo mpe no we na enei ye nuanum bi omo sua de ekodu baby bebre no omo yu say adentina eni kwa say ye to obi a owo mansie catches penyin say adentina yan to no so aba na president ne power no it's an say the characteristics of good governance na participatory edimu akotene pa say nipa no be participate in choosing his or her own leader no ehun hia pa but ehwemu nso a electoral college system no so a form of voting eninti ya practice ya no akodum pempenso bi ebinum epushi say dabi yento DCE no so eswaba enti senka ye pese yi sa tumi ni wa president ho a ene ka parliament nko abetime di sa adwuma no na nka ye nko referendum na parliament eko vote omunya 185 because almost so kra no omu ni 2/3 majority no more accept omotimi change sa eho no ento omunya because omu dodo no 2/3 majority ni be 185
that can say omu be omu be too no
nature say nka ye nko referendum no ho kra nature say ye be dia tum say ye be to so aba e be to DC ni so aba but any party for asem
ho dem ti ase
nature say nka ye ja no ho a
me but ye bisa say adenti dede na wo kuro mu nyana adenti ene no ye mpese party for edu omu bejim
correct okay
me question na no
aye denti ye mpese party for edu omu bejim ni say assembly elections no any unit committee elections no omo ye nkrofobia omo functions omo ye ni nyina no adenti ye pow ye desa tumi ni ma omo no juma omu kokodi ni nyina no eye juma eye technical work well members of parliament ye to abama omo ko parliament omo ko chichiri mra omo nkonko tu loro ko omo ko ye loro kwan omo nkonko ye gata omo nkonko hwese ye aduane ayedi no aduane sesi yedie say aduane no kra no hygienic purposes ne ajade environmental management any parliament for asem because parliament in the omo chichiri mra ewo and executive so eto abama omo president ne cabinet no omo so chichiri policies and projects and programs no omo so achichiri wo ho enti asefo do ye execute district no say tankers ensem bola na ade ensem no ehon nyina no district ni adwuma enti district ni adwuma no partisan politics for no na nko mo pede wo ho
ade ne say no the party ne ka say oyi obejira party A obejira party B obejira party C ade ne be say
me chese den na omo pe wo ho uyi ma no first the party for no mo pede wo babia ye kwako yi akwan babia dabi omo pede wo
party na ye ko yi kwan ne nipa na ebegina mebo ana eti di a wode e ka ne ho say be party A we should di kan party B no ede ne say
okay the
ede nipa na beba begina
no problem
ede ya government be yi obi aba e bi kwa me kura no the government di ni ba na mempe right
what
say so me ya yine ko kire adwun e ko kire da nipa no the party A ne ba the party B ne ba ya me tumu say we na we ne me ko no wa me ko
na me so me party ni me party bani na me so me what district ni me na ma ko no ho
adenti ne ntimi nko ho ne question na yebusa no
adenti ye members of parliament impo who ye party B ni a utimi ko ho
so adenti ne man basa
ye kabin national no eya no bi ni ka say
let's say we can mati education so wa won me position at the time
yes
say bibie ma no na ka chem say no party A ahwa me bo asum
correct
but now me say emra bi ya adwuma say ontimi ntre wo sa mo nipa no just me mu wa maka
exactly
the me ye no ma ye
exactly
but adentina me ko share party green color and a party blue color na party blue we ya yegina yeti community ni mu no adentina mintimi so ye me leader ene ya to abayi president enye party ni yi president
ene ya beto ene opinion ya pound no konfanoche na say ne dey see
me de plan show no say
nam to me amanfo so we ndisi ni
eti
ye you know ene dey fofo
na me che say ti dia adwene we yitrim
as ane omo ya sa ne sisi ebisa wo
who is your president
na ma kufado
eti we could draw aboriginal if I say ex-president Edru Abrokyire is here. They say who is the Ghana president or Beckham wine. So any president.
Any president.
So dear Biona na ye pese ye mo amudidi payfo mudidi animu no. Mo pese be hu say ade we de nipa ne kan no ye yate but ye onipa ne be ye adwuma na obetima ye. She my history kakra. Ye ko history kakra. It's about time I see a yisa colors na obi ka so so ye color blue color grey. Banfa ko UK Labour Party me bo papa ndi de bia Ken Livingston on it Tony Blair and the core primaries and Tony Blair winning primaries because standing as a PM no and no be look at a mayor but ordinary manifesto e ko kire say na me pese me je landing city almost say a normal na odi agugu akwan mu no say decongestion obetu ansa no abakrom o card be ba just say no more to akwan mu nya ne party ni say ombe den ombe ka form ti in the ticket of labor and call independent. Also winning.
Yeah.
Or winning Timmy ma decongestion system near Jumano. Omudia Sakosono, right? And most of the barrels no and access mayors no a copy. So why don't we Ghana? The BIS a cost to you say yet me be say party liberia party when I will into offer communal labor amenko. Where you see amenko. I didn't know yen party chairman, party leaderships near every sir.
Every Essence says or share Mamicho Bibi. One way a Ghana constitution.
Yeah.
Constitution say President Ewini or born in Twa Krum, Ekobenu Kru, Okobenu Kru, now or Kikanin Semna, Ama for Junitum, now better than the president. I was say Ohamu Ebisiano 60% no. I was say Unya the ministers from parliament.
Right.
What does it? Now, a many donors or selected members now. Not sure a dealing now, nor the command speaker now. Speaker also on him say parliament one. There were party A, any party B, F1 or list in who say party A for Kwa be in the room. Constitution is in Castle, you party free party move. I didn't think the president, a speaker, don't catch a president, say, we are here. Mini Piano, a party, party B.
It's the Ben Beshassi. I sir, you so Obida court, and also be a Niatra, I will not take on up to date.
It's a free day.
Tobo, if you future say, no education, I can be. Oko the whole world, right? Yeah. May you can Switzerland, I mean, Makuska, the party in power now, Obano. One. Say a coalition government, right? Or confer the second you know Becano one and on no did the call for Becano or between no boom. Yes, so say we not takes all it men can say parliament one or cry a mistake. Yen I mistake no that. Yeah, why? Yeah, now mining and I didn't know. Yeah, see it here, baby. Yeah, to a banamo call. Hey, you're talking about Sushina a binder for you now. The constitution in Castle Colini Pan Party. Yeah, that is a mistake, no. First day now, or more, I didn't answer the entire. Ah, and send me the speaker now, but me no speaker. Metro my president says, Papa, into me, Nippon film for party. Okay, constitution kind. It is speaker, ye mistaker. Eba outer, Chroman, to be sorry. Then you're betting my sir. 8 million. Then you're betting my it is saying no sir. Say you ni pani na free ni party mo on to mrebia. Yeah, cano. Una wo ka sisi say it's supposed to be across. So na wo the winner for our Asempa say ya call winner for na make sure be free. Let me say free dey free. Etina make sure. Enti on to mrebia no. Odo no kokotere yi. On to mra. The okay entina make say yes na say ke ya. I to the young busasa question no say adentina so many ebe funu na nim etino na say no omo hye mra bia so e binding forest of course omo ye adwuma na omo ye maye accountability na ye kan so ye bowdin e na akoye minister no right na say ye ka say bra a friend say this committee vetting committee no not vetting committee wow they are no more the account session public account committee in the floor so ba be bu akonta yes etino na say who say won ya hwe a say ende ye ko yanim say why you be dia there you have me at all exactly so eno dey can family say party A for nkwa le go party B but here is punishment na adwuma ni tra but yemra all across the world and make you know minimum countries ni bi kra na move forward minimum no it's all about partisan Singapore crowd the local government omunibi right and so fine and I make sure say we will need the maker and we need the worker okay ye yet by British it's normal be bro ho no ma omunijaye demum esisa ba edu ba bia ye ka so omukro na wo nti ye kofa wo nemra da bi but wo no ma bi wo so a etimi boaye ana me boa and it depends on the oka so to be to about UK well me ko UK da but local government system now was here. What do you hold alcohol?
We talk about order.
What was only a Commonwealth?
Yes. Yeah, the Commonwealth, and tell me, it has nothing to do with the economy.
So, what would say, Obi or UK, Abagana has CC as a cable to Abe or Castle to be Ambeplay.
Well, I didn't know that.
But also, we are Ghana and it's not do UKCC. Now, I can't 17th May. Since we bet my call,
the baby almost do in governance and say, Mayo.
It's almost started free baby, don't do baby or do.
So, I'm more costed.
It's yes to say original. I don't know, yes, into me can you actually be. I didn't
know when you bring UK for to say.
Let me know, you Germany. Producer
Germany a federal state. Federal state, you know, every state be our the oil. Oko Australia, every state be a province be our senior Morano local government. Oko Kenya, as senior Morano or local government. Oko Cameroon, as senior Morano. Oko French French as senior be. I didn't think there be any running. I had a binum.
Then I made me question now. Mabusa. This is the fourth time. Then they say because of Munina as a political callous.
Yes. Party in some Ghana no. And now they are yenini your party in some no still a kick.
With you.
And then so as more to for can run. I question a democracy in Ukraine.
Yes, I have come here for no.
Not necessarily same for command for no. I was saying to me free your home from some of these
it's the Nanakai 2 for Kai. Be one step near.
One step near
maybe one step say Oman penny be back now who say ye be say no bit my boy. I then the test I didn't hear. Ebini a referendum say
referendum asem na odi bam no say dey practice no bibia ni wa say won
o say pa
e dey na say
won dey me ababi anya adwen say obe appoint obi amena ba na nipa fiu bi akoshe hodom na omno na akoshe tokrom na etibi to no bi 6 times 7 times meba ni na no mutumi ka say side afo no e we no mu fo ntina aba no say wanyi se aye yentuma no ni na no e political so why don't we make it open I took a new na yes
na yaka political
yeah
yes every area every organization and human beings won your structures for your organization there's politics there.
Yeah.
It's political, fine. But any partisan politics. Partisan politics, Bemupe, I feel here into another realm.
And only idea make say political, you know, the beba.
Now, until I see any interest for now, you pursue local government. I don't get it.
I saw them all.
Okay. One example, a ministerial appointment.
Until say ya no dia me anyway.
No, what I'm saying is say be who person moving one step
yeah
you free preoccupant ko jina number 20 ubeko 1 no akọ 2 no akọ 3
Amankwati
yes
and also another step
then another
so can say parliament or there another step
yeah parliament nku when the president say we to me or say appoint a whole lot of people
so
I didn't know nka say minimum say ko NDC ni obetuma bojuma no ma pound no I don't know to me now person who pia question local government
never
I don't know to me
say ono year one no yes. About always be second one
exactly
so why don't we start
I don't think be say me the president those who are in charge in the say omo to me bibi
obi a wo kasa
and then cry na obi a ye pound no call confanochi yes we NDC ni ya pam no
so education on this
so somebody must be up and doing and I make sure say if you free and am I could baby I do
so I don't hear starting free baby
say cause you call parties
and now I know you are a politician
okay you can
let me put it that way and now must say
many one is true
no politicians in both sides Muso say government no say no to me nipa 100 from the party and the CCC positions are say obi yi mu 10 ama yen ya na e be yi omo no sa 10 no obi nya ba bi nche ntino e na yempene yenko no
I don't know obi nya ba bi nche. So it depends on if we agree say e beto aba but in the party sana say you am for do mo beto be gina o say ento aba
say and na me che say ye ka say partisan no che say o independent down to me nkasa enti ko jira bi
Ghana had independence saying I want who say what me call even parliament o me say independence saying to me call parliament and call president you talk about my independent how when you 2% in Poda the whole country
oh my who independent of parliament da
me say president or when you 2% in Poda
the president in America
so was independent represent just independent na interesting
but parliament ye bi wo
oh you bet me nya bi wo interesting no
I didn't try
yeah party for kasa independent here do kwai
it's my bibia party for kasa I didn't try say kasa the party so am say mo mpre
open kasa ye opinion
sir
the issue was taken say district assemblies no medical catches so mo functions ni na no any party sem
Debi onya party sem o onya we ni no ko hon ma nya party no
obedi no we ni party sem ni say delegate na kwa yi no delegates no mo tisa sem members na delegates no tisa sem members na
debo delegates ni yinu na de ne ba na beto
delegates no say party for na to because a fear delegate
debo omo yi ne ba se ni patri no ma be gina ho se for ne ba be gina ho ye timo no for no ye be hwe yi akwa afri
na me che say party for the nipa ne ba ye hwepu party for ni na say de na ban ye di akra na ba amontoma no de na be
na me che se dua na wa ba no se dua na ye betini say ye wow so far say otimi gina na ye de na ba no
yantoma no
oh say krom
no yantoma no no bia party ne de na ba ni atu ni atu ama nipa ni nye kra party si yantoma no ye atu ama
me question no be papa me and the functions are ye the man wa hase no what to compare Netherlands we no na powers na ye the more ha no eno wo de pe
well you mayor no asking the mayor na DCE and the assembly need functions na
DCE you know so on the head of the assembly no
yes
the powers Ghana ha more powers
I don't know many powers more powers what to compare powers are Netherlands Germany UK AP when we read no any pesa every country bia wo ne powers are mayor no ewo every country bia so assembly no ewo ne functions are otimi e be a central e be a regional e be a district na nkasa na and it depends on how
it will fire decentralization system na you may yes no ha no omo powers here
oh your problem ni say enipa na otu for sa kan sa de no say ye the loyalty na ye de ehwe edi power encrofo instead of competence sa loyalty no enye pa nya de papa so be here MPP3 almost started by na me be ka kire wo say so kautin pa ye topic be concerning appointment na me kire wo say edu local government for no me ubati jongbodu kase ombe use loyalty adi aye appointment no loyalty na me say kai trouble beba
okay
ampa area na ubadi se kum na abawa ha ubati kum koti bawa ha because of a kwan omofa so e de power anipa no
etida me che say identity kwan na NDC MPP na ye mi no ye hu so mo rule ye up to date appointment in the bia abada actually
ye betimi ayen wadwuma
so
instead of vote any voting pe na dissolve our problem ye betimi ayen wadwuma
bi na waken ayi adwenche bi na betimi ayen ho other way be
there are so many ways the team you know president president betimi delegate any organization betimi delegate Asempa94.7FM say money all the 260 district munjo bia CV na mun select your mama or yi party for free straight away
I know your point.
Yes. About to be the comma IDEC. But yeah, selection no mami. Na yi
powers na Nunkutano.
President
DCE Nunkutano. Powers na
powers papa.
Powers no DCE so.
Daddy, powers. Bon no ma bon. Nukura na me catch on. President Power say one power o kwa akoya adwuma. Baby a wo kono. I hear the highest political authority. Who as nipa na we say we know vision out the bekoho. So what bon kra no SDG sustainable development goals no 17 no o dey fa 4 pay room na for show vision na for call assembly ho. We be the best person
to bon no mabon
ubisa obi awini assembly for the to abama na ubisa say vision ye there no starting from president and the president say you have free education and president say what are you talking about? You are to abama who are the leader of the district.
So why don't we also make it say you have to abama womo also find vision in ra when time and farmer no yentoma no or the ban here say when the engineer so
hunting and man any party in some free no na ko no be jira ho a onu de vision aba
at the party ibo take dada
oh meche oba in America almighty America non-partisan local government we are Republican now ban obe jo onum na nipa ni pewa you better abama
right
we are Democrat you better abama it does not matter. But because delegates echo conference echo nipa na there is no guarantee say only the competent person e beba
e be a common no muntra
why
America
I
also the common
delegates no omo kwa ko jiji ademudie omo kwa ko bitimi camp delegates hotel bi na yesi ento omo ko nipa ne ba sa delegates na omo di nipa na ba no where is the guarantee say nipa na na ba no or you're competent enough to do the work? Where is the guarantee?
No na yekasa adentina.
No party asem na no party form the ba near beto no so aba guarantee we say we papa.
Na say so we say we local no.
And then upa come
yeah ba district no say be yen.
Untimi nye hu
to
delegate na e dey ba me untimi nye hu delegate dey ba party na dey na ba o yen to man sa
party di na ba enye masemo. Ba mesusu na ye na ye kwa koto no yenim se Amankwatia ye ne natna amasama ha eti party ye na benti dey
so Argentina mama obibi Argentina this year po 30% na nka president power no nka president akase he mo DC for na ma power mo no 30% no mu ye obia mo fisi obetima ya adwuma mama mo ko yi party for pay because more district wo asem chi omo so a omo timi frame but omo ya appointees no dabi and the young show because we e be a party any why is it so
Asempa94.7 so fuko koma kwa Kuntejo so that make no jumadi Ghanaian German Center for Jobs Migration Integration Ministry of Labor Ministry of Employment Labor Labor Relation omo akabom ese obvious school opejuma ye bi on se tro CV unimo juma uko school so be lawyer but bia na law no kura no subjects akofufa ye kura na nya adepa etutimi call law firm bia mu koye juma but unim de obabi bra no no ntrase no ma sese omo ni so many experience for a friend say advices or honor advice well no one pay juma ma obi also juma no onim but obekọ juma mu no practically no onim de so ye that's certificate de kuta keke obi also me we school amenya juma ni nyina no part of it say ombe ma waba no more training no omo training ama sedebea adwuma na wo koye no obehu ye because untimi nkofa certificate driver's license me driver eso me do ko training kakra ehu sampa obetima driver bus betima driver articulator na for mo company pet sa drivers ni need wa kwakoshim sedebea wo kwa unsa ma bio tibe modern ne Ghanaian German Center enikita ho na don person mo kan say bra Starless 91 road next to Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations honomo omo a new building be any taxi rank no and opposite enkra ha say na so other region na say uti baby uti bia do pese oni omo di nkita ho bia oba wi school opa adwuma oba epese usua nsano adwuma so a ebi owi SSC bi and say JHS no bi wantima anto aso a from 055 67 58 518 and 055 67 58 516 then no meaning kita ho almost be some country mo say a year 27th of this month a year next week year almost job fair e wo Kumasi bomodia ne fresh anambesi say the be ya opese oba job fair ni bi oba be share nyuma mpanyifo bebre ho e bi no try ye na odwuma e ho na ba ko share ye wadwuma bomodia ne fresh number e bi 0556 758 518 and now 0556 758 516 Pabucho bebre omuye no Kumasi two fra ombechro baby potia omuye bibia omuye no ahojo Kumasi ahojo hotel kama omo agi baby kama momra unwebu Kumasi so abetimi di number no nso akohobi ebia no akwakohia adwuma efo ebi na omafa na adwuma sasuna opese okusku wa manone kura kusua ade ho no ma omotimi no wadi nkomo ahwese ampa utimi apply school bi se bitima boa eni ba bebre na nim saade no fiti ya se wa me pese me kusku Abrokyire but enye certificate bi na de kusku Abrokyire akwa university ho no mo na wunua bi so Abrokyire na sese bi ne ho kire no obra no boy mo nkrata sema ye basa me ka se kura bi kura order detention bomodia na ka chenso omrefi oba ono ne package different kura omehwe ape sano adwuma bi ama wankasa no ma aseto up no abobra kakra den ya onsabeko anu se oda prison wo hono mo ne so Libia ofiri krofoforo bi so kra no abagana na so obra ne mo a bomodia ne ko omaso ye Ghana Jema Center ye wo enkra ministry sase bisa abo address ni bio Starless 91 road omo next to the Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations na number NBU is 0556 758 518 and 0556 758 516 na mwa ofi Germany ankasa na opesa obefie dia also so package ni different kra me catch you say bomodia na friend number bisa mo kote mami 3 minutes na ana order mema college nimra na bia obi so question bibisa oh okay you say time no nti next week na me aba beto aso hono educate my listeners enye bone say ebejan the party for sa abatwa e de bia nyame ya ne baso say e beto abama yen DCE na ne mum no nipa ben pa na say de si ho and the role of the mayor and as a DCE and so can say omabon omutiewu no minimum say Ken Livingston there a testimony and found say Kagana ha ebia Olympic Games e cost to say ebia ye pese ye gibi bagana and found say Kumasi mayor bit makobe the same family Kumasi Tamale bit makwa be this year family Tamale. Accra for wakwa be this year family Accra. Despite saying in one country, but may be a bit much on the diako. A committee no say me person mo de ba me will land me will say a bit my bibia man I kama ewa because you can say not London airpay Manchester airpay any pay na can live in kwa we ene enom de nya sa East London nice community or honomo. Yeah, mayors you are clear on a bone. Yeah, oh, because more power, because you don't wait for your government. And not till when you're a diplomatic passport. What me too quiet, I can negotiate.
I don't know about that.
Ebia, oh, who will him
diplomatic
or movie.
Anyway,
this is
okay.
Oh, my masa, my yankai. I want power to travel.
Yeah, power to travel, they're fine because, but diplomatic mood.
Oh, Yeah, na musro some beka.
Oh, but
the point is, Ebia, me enemy say Boliban boy, ensure and why a day, and you can't win news no. DCE no honey no on to me, and who Ebia, Obeko country, meaning say Holland for crowd, just add no home, a Jumapa, or to because a sa Metropolitan Assembly, ya bako. You say half for sale. Omoni Fantia Kwafon was sister country. And you better go home, don't wait for budget. It is no more in any case. It may be maybe no match do bit my. Let's say I appoint to be no about his rock. I say, I appoint to know it we go what party. It's the same thing and the delegates in the Sukako Yabre. That's all the German in our Casami. Ah. Dear Sam, say you never to me because you are by a better Abaman, won't he? It's a musro. Anyone is true. No, nothing a boom party crowd also didn't need paper. But what I'm saying is, that's a good movie. Yeah, but what I'm saying is, at this stage, you know, down home, Sab, what's a Ghana for a static assassin way? Say a petted force. Well, it depends on who is speaking. But the third force, but the third force, and okay, say, Eddie Ukraina, this is inside the bit Makwa, Kakara, Kaji, Hodomo, near the Ayahu, one album said that third force in Iran. Me, baby, I'm in a team, yeah, and it's in a mashe and Yamuno. Yeah, historical antecedent, election of MMDC in Nankasakran, MYA, and a party as a moon. Me too in our crown, I kick against it. I didn't tell him well. Here, a network of elected MMGCs, they can disorganize a government. So we the mandate of the people. We have to be very careful. I'm telling you. We have our hidden traits. Nisika. Ana scaffolding share the district or omuko piano ako. So say we see the MCEs and they listen to a president. They are going to now stop listening to the president and listen to omu piano at the kodu hono. Is that what we want? Eti Africa ebeko yenim. Ah, na Ghana so yakoye yenim. I don't think they yenim. Na Africa hemina. Okay na mambusa. Yes, Africa hemina in Kura. Yeto aba edi president no eyedi manse kache no yemfa nkotu scale so ni enhwe public health baby ayadu eni baby asankro nu so adu na hwe safety health and safety baby ayadu na yesa ayina ubehu se with all your problems president Paul nyina no ye wani sim kofo bebe apart from the developed countries ye we eni mponi of course ebimu wa enkonkon posi wo hope a chronabo only we be say tie we no of course with all your hardship and the day baby and I said the economic kabi enti the obi atimi ka de ope enti ne de and you better since you kotokro do ni kotima ebedi kan and the empire aha and you put the boy also o pushi civil society ni the boy no o pushi yen kotoba no o mu pay from the boy kra abato we mu fie kra omo ntubida omo ankasa nya elections da on contest bi da eso ye yenkotoba eti because what to abada we say monetization of your politics no kra no yentimi fa no yes could be another chamber okay yes could be another chamber yes abeseska edi akotoaba edi akoyi MCE na me de ka yi wo hono mo na ka wo maybe a powers na ka na SM kohwehwe mu yi na me hu DCE ni powers because one to me no say DCE no on the powers pa or timidi enwuma on the area and on to be fanya na so ka say ni tire wo so the problem ni free ban say ya power no ye wo human development handbook say we nya bi our district wo and e be kire wo anamo se wutu na akoto say technical heads no obi a won book say ya wa chotro titi nyama bi esese ye na ubisa wo no mu piama wa
Enyewe.
Yo.
And then we said DCE be say in the next 5 to 10 years, internet bandwidth send na the district no obe needy.
Onim.
Obe
Abong.
Aha.
Yo. Apia Kwesi Collins ose ohwe otie yen koso. Onabo abedi kwada so ajoin yen. Onabo abedi ono bi say from Dr. Abedi kwada so AK police ni also I'm enjoying life from kwada so okay. Oh yeah, dear papa with it. Also or the Ochia Reverend Samuel K. Mesa Okro from CAC. And I'm my soldier of kwada so yo. So that guy because come says I'm calling here no.
Online.
Oh, okay. I be no. Yes, I'm calling here no. Oh yeah. Asempa fan.
Oh, okay.
I be me ba no. Kwada susio double plan why? Timeba very sure. And Abrokyire or say hello Asempa hi. Lady also answer or say hello Akunta hi. Who is this man? He's Amankwatia, local government expert back where Mr. So Betmaka say minim ewo Ghana hano back no. And Lydia Nuebi or say the man don't know anything. Okay.
Yeah. John such energy.
Oh, send there. Obi Canadri. And because they sabotage. Okay. Hey, Lydia, one is sabotage you be. And Obi reply and say thank you. That means Obi supporting no. Maybe someone no joining fire lady. Congratulations with 18 kwa. So maybe a committee Edward Kotus no. You bomb pie so bit my Jumana. Ghana football. Okay. Park near when ye mommy. And okay. Just a amisi so eba so or so be kind be. Pretty much I say nipan de omunyina echiro madwe. And Robert Hamon say akonta good evening please. Oh, Robert Hammond, the time no South Africa, you know time intimate open time in HM. I had the embassy na open Jan Adventure tour.
Well, yes, you bet me at Wabano at the MCE without making it partisan politics. You bet say to me, I maintain the you wanna improve upon it.
Right.
Enti enye kutokuru asemne ai sekantwe ni dede ni edidi atem na ade eno moa democracy obi a kire na dwen o kire wa dwen na obi fa fine o kire na obi mpa o meja me mpa no but for the fact say your partisan politics no we need to improve sharpen it a little no very dangerous at this stage so far as I'm concerned.
Right. The woman say, obese, bise, ade yina yewe. Obi ani so siwe ne bise. Ebi mini nsuo no, ebi mini nsuo no. Eti nyame ya adoma eye 17th no. Ghana for mo nyina yentutu America na yekoto aba no se de city no. Enye ntokwa. First one no eye assemblyman.
Yes.
And a second a year the bema ono a unit committee and we be selected five out of the lot na our no doson so nipa 10 kra na we be selected
5 now
open and na third one no and na we be kire wadwen yes or no then so no atake uwia na je wakotrase e bobo na de ebisi bia no yin say yemu na e nyina ye pen Ghana e be yi amaye ti obi an kono koto na ba a year 17th enya ba Debbie and that Mr. Ya mamu nye say a drum man penny dear so kwa na mudimri ke kono krum near this time ubi an kono krum baby or to aba no kotuna ba no on chain adwin na do na chi adwin na ene ma yehu okro no ne nkoso na ni paketo bi kochiro madwin a e ho ne ye hweso hu se development kra no e bi eni ha na mum politicians me who will be cast a yes toilet and me bu fu you be see obi ni wa obi che ene adruso Dr. Anani ene adruso Amankwatiya da se bebre
mezi me da wase
Italy wabe ya Libya na yekwe ekoton ye de ekoto please mother please 6 months ni ombabu sa ni pe wuo no edoso se no mo nyankwa nso amanti ne adware kora me dware bida wonyina apro na me gina
Ejonia enkopem da ben na Ghana de shebe hwe nkwa e wo Libya ponto enwe me nia no amakwa Libya atiti mu mpanyin se achia ne mu ye ese abebo nyina de me wasem de bi mom adwuma ku bia ba ye fro wo Ghana German Center for Jobs Advisory Center wona adwuma titu pa ba ko ne se ye nia no omko Libya asan be fie ene wo mpo a e wo ene da so so be ko Libya no obetwe wo adwen abesisu se epuo ne baby andwe ani se okọ on center hono mu a mpanyinfo yi be fa entity ye mu am wonya nsano adwuma aywa be ye odefo awo wan kasa wo man enuma bi ti se agriculture mechanic catering carpentry and nsano adwuma bia wani je ho mpanyinfo be tetew am ayo odefo e bia ye Ghana ni a wo de wa ma tetew ene wo na e wo Germany panyin se kuntunu hwane a ne nchia na akwenti no ni here ne so be fresh center efutu sambie wo mu bia no omo de be ma o fra kontiuma be fie nenso enyim nhyedan koyie ma ni nyina ne so do ani be kire center omo be wow dodo Ghana German Center for Jobs Advisory Center be hu omo
Starlet 91 Road I be Ministry of Employment and Labour ewo enkran ubetumi so afre won wo 0556 758 518 and 0556 758 516.
Yankanasa, Obenasa,